Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I am sitting in a 2008 Dodge Nitro and I will show you which fuses to check in case your radio is not powering up or there is maybe no sound coming from the speakers. This video will apply to Dodge Nitros made from 2007 all the way up to 2012. All of the radio fuses will be located in a fuse box under the front hood, which is just next to the battery right here. Now to lift this cover you will have two black tabs, one here on the right side and one on the left side. So what you want to do, you want to press onto both of these to unlock them and then lift the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, so the first fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number M10, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located just here in the middle. And this is the fuse responsible for power to the radio, DVD player, satellite digital audio receiver, hands-free module. Now this fuse is responsible for a couple of things related to radio, but especially if your radio is not powering up, this is your main radio fuse. And now a second fuse you want to check is just next to it. It's fuse number M12, which is a 30 amp green fuse responsible for power to the amplifier. Now you will check this fuse in case your radio powers up but there is no sound coming from the speakers. So to summarize, these are the two fuses you want to check, and hopefully one of these will fix your problem. If not, then try to remove the radio. I also have a video on how to do it. The link will be below in the description, and check the connections behind the radio. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.